Hi AJ, my name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, places like that. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you because they will have found you and they're going to come directly to you. So, so for the purpose of this video, I do have you found here on Facebook. The only thing I would suggest, it looks like you don't have a website because if you had one, I would imagine you'd have it listed here somewhere. But it would be putting a hyphen and then Realtor. AJ Pulver hyphen Realtor. That way, when people do the search, they're going to see, if they're looking in LA or whatever, they're going to see that you're a realtor, and that may help you a little bit bring some business in. So I would recommend doing that on the Facebook side of things. But then as far as the website goes, we're going to use John Garland Real Estate, their website for this video, given the fact that this is the company that you work for. But to be honest with you, I'm not seeing you guys on here anywhere. So I don't know how many realtors work for John Garland Real Estate, but I don't see any realtors. I don't see like, a list of our realtor. I mean, there's an About Us page, which might be there. They might have, we got John, Okay, so you are there, AJ, Gretchel. But how many people are going to find you guys through that? So how many people are going to take the time to do that? They're probably just going to call John, to be honest with you. So I'm not sure how much this website is actually bringing you as far as leads go, but I would highly suggest getting your own website. And then the thing to keep in mind with your website is your photo is content. So Google and all these search engines love content. The more you have, the better. But content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos and how the photos are saved and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so bottom line is that all your photos need to be saved as buyer intent keywords. So a lot of times when we upload photos to a website or anywhere, the computer will create a name for it by itself, and usually it just consists of random lettering and numbers, and so that's no good. Keep in mind that search engines read on the back end how your photos are saved, so it's very important that you save it properly, because if it's saved as random numbers and letters, it's going to do you no good, bring you no value. So this is John Garland Real Estate, and you are in the About Us page as one of the realtors, but I'm not sure how many people are calling John Garland to talk to you. So I would suggest getting your own website. And then, so next to citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those are going to give you citations, and the more citations you have, the higher up you can rank in this map pack. So I actually typed in Beach Cities, LA Realtors, okay? And we got Beach City Brokers, we got Coldwell Banker, and then we got Keller Williams. So I didn't see John Garland Real Estate anywhere on this first page. And then if you go into the View All, I actually didn't see John Garland Real Estate anywhere on the first page of this Google My Business page. So obviously, there's some things going on there that's not bringing you any leads. But the thing I really want to point out is that even if you're not a broker, you can still have your own. Google My Business page. So like Erin Alice, she's here. Jay Valento, Wendy Rich, Ross Cohen, Keith Kyle, Ron Phillips. So all these people actually have their own Google My Business page, and they're actually ranking even though they're not necessarily the brokers. So that's the biggest thing I want to point out. And so for this video, so obviously, first of all, I would suggest getting yourself a Google My Business page. This is what it's going to look like. And so a couple things I'm going to point out when you do get your own Google My Business page. A lot of people are worried about the address. So if you're not allowed to use your broker, if your broker won't let you use his address, you can use your home address and then just hide it so it won't be visible to the public, which is what we recommend doing. And then as far as reviews go, obviously reviews are very important. We recommend 25 minimum. So obviously, as you can see, Ron here has got only one review, but he's on the first page of the map pack. And so, having one in itself is good. But we recommend 25 reviews. And then the only other recommendation is the photos. So we recommend that you have 10 photos 10 photos minimum. Ron's only got 4. So if you have 10 and you save them all right and you have more than 1 review, you're going to beat Ron out of the water, especially with citations. So just an example, I would highly recommend you getting a Google My Business page. That's definitely going to bring you some leads. And then obviously, this is Ron Phillips. This is his website. So he's got his own website. And, just for, purposes of the video, that this is what a basic website would look like. It doesn't cost as much as you would think to have a website built, and you can even build a website yourself. So it's not that big of an expense really compared to how much you're going to get out of it. And so the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your URL is at. So anywhere that johngarlandrealestate.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. And so John Garland Real Estate only has 4 backlinks from 3 referring domains. And if you look, their domain rating is 0. So out of 100. That's a 0 out of 100, which leads me to believe that website of John's is not bringing you absolutely any leads whatsoever. The thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal, and you want your backlinks to be coming from sites that are relevant to the trade and sites that aren't spammy, because where you get your backlinks are going to directly reflect your website. And so you want powerful backlinks from non-spammy and relevant sites, and the more you have, the more your domain rating is going to go up. That's a 0 out of 100. You want to be up in the 80s, 90s. And so very important to just do your homework on your backlinks. Some are free, some you pay for. Either way, you're going to want to get good ones. And other than that, AJ, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement some of these tips and tricks into your business to bring you some more money. And if you have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to get in touch with us. And thanks for watching.